Conclusion. Codfish is a healthy and nutritious seafood dish that provides essential nutrients like protein, vitamins, and minerals. It is low in fat and calories, making it a great choice for those looking to maintain a healthy diet. With its versatility and easy preparation, codfish can be enjoyed in a variety of dishes, from baked to grilled to chowder. So, next time you're looking for a healthy and delicious meal, consider trying codfish. Codfish is a nutrient-rich food that provides several essential vitamins and minerals that are important for overall health and well-being. The following are some of the key nutrients found in codfish. Protein. Codfish is an excellent source of protein, which is essential for building and repairing muscles, tissues, and organs in the body. A 100-gram serving of codfish contains approximately 17 grams of protein, making it an ideal food for those looking to increase their protein intake. Vitamin B12. Codfish is also a rich source of vitamin B12, which is essential for the proper functioning of the nervous system and the production of red blood cells. A 100-gram serving of codfish contains approximately 1.2 micrograms of vitamin B12, which is over 50% of the recommended daily intake. Vitamin D. Codfish is a good source of vitamin D, which is important for bone health and immune function. A 100-gram serving of codfish contains approximately 7.5 micrograms of vitamin D, which is over 100% of the recommended daily intake. Niacin. Codfish is also rich in niacin, which is required for healthy skin, nerves, and digestion. A 100-gram serving of codfish contains approximately 3.1 milligrams of niacin, which is about 20% of the recommended daily intake. Phosphorus. Codfish is a good source of phosphorus, which is necessary for the formation of bones and teeth. A 100-gram serving of codfish contains approximately 250 milligrams of phosphorus, which is about 25% of the recommended daily intake. Selenium. Codfish is also rich in selenium, which is important for immune function and thyroid health. A 100-gram serving of codfish contains approximately 22.7 micrograms of selenium, which is about 41% of the recommended daily intake. Overall, codfish is a nutritious and healthy food that can provide many health benefits. It is low in fat and calories, making it a great option for those looking to maintain a healthy diet. With its versatility and easy preparation, codfish can be enjoyed in a variety of dishes, from baked to grilled to chowder. Codfish chowder is a hearty and comforting dish that is perfect for a chilly day. This popular dish is made by cooking codfish in a creamy broth with vegetables and herbs. Here is a more detailed recipe for codfish chowder. Ingredients: 1 pound codfish fillets, diced into small pieces. 2 tablespoons butter. 1 onion, diced. 2 cloves garlic, minced.